بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. So tonight we continue with the mulhaq بالرباعي المزيد فيه. So yesterday we done the mulhaq بالرباعي مزيد فيه, but of those mulhaq بالرباعي مزيد فيه, the pointer please. The mulhaq بالرباعي مزيد فيه, for those that had one extra letter. Now we're doing it with those that have two extra letters. Probably nothing computer. For those that have two extra letters, okay. So for example, if you have a look here, just press the mouse button please. Yeah. So we had thulathi, within those 18, and from 17 on this side. Now what we done was, we done these, the mulhaq bil ruba'i al-mazid fi, but those that have mulhaq with those that have one extra letter. And now we're doing mulhaq that have two extra letters. So ihranjama. So ihranjama has got two extra letters, doesn't it? So ihranjama. So because we have alif is extra and noon is extra. So you have ha, ra, jim and mim.
I've got a question. Do you know for the mulhaqat, in the dictionary, what do you look
I don't know, let's make a note of that, we'll look at it up. How do you find a dictionary? Okay, maybe a note at the beginning of the handswear or the lane somewhere, I don't know. How do you find a dictionary? Okay? Right, so what he's saying here now, we're now discussing the mulhaq of ihranjama. So wathnani, ay two babs are for mulhaq of ihranjama. So ihranjama, yahranjimu, ihranjaman. Two babs have the meaning of ihranjama, or a link or the same pattern of ihranjama. Don't write in there please, just run up the paper. Okay? So al-babul awwal, the first bab which has the same pattern as ihranjama is bab افعنلالا يفعنلل افعنلالا. What's the first bab? افعنلالا يفعنلل افعنلالا. موزونه اقأنسس يقأنسس اقإنساسا. So the pattern is اقأنسس يقأنسس اقإنساسا. What's happening here? What are the three letters? qa, a, sa. Correct? You following? What are the root letters? Qaf, Ain, Sin. Then what do you add here? An extra noon, and you double up the lam. Correct? So it becomes mulhaq بإحرنجم. وعلامته أن يكون ماضيه على ستة أحرف. How is it ستة? It's 6 because it's equal to 4 plus 2. And so you see here.
Is it 3 plus 1 plus 2?
Yeah, 4 is 6 because it's 3 root letters, one for the ilhaq, one for the ilhaq, and then 2 more to make it into the mazid fi pattern. But it's 3 more really because, بزيادة الحمزة في أوله, by adding a hamza at the beginning like this, and in noon here, and بين العين واللام وحرف آخر من جنس لام فعلي في آخره, and by adding another particle from the same type of the lam فعل from in the ending. Okay? وبناؤه لمبالغة اللازم. This pattern is for the mubalagha and the hyperbole and the intense meaning of the lazim. For example, لأنه يقال, because it is said قأس الرجل إذا خرج صدره في الجملة. When a person, when his heart comes out, not his heart, when his chest, he walks a bit like a puffed chest, a bit, you say قأس الرجل. How did he walk with his chest? Puffed out or pushed out a bit. Correct? If it is a lot, then what do you say? Not قأس, but you say اقأنسس الرجل إذا خرج صدره ودخل ظهره في مبالغة. Whether it's arrogance or whether it's an illness. It says ودخل ظهره. So like his chest comes out and his back is like a bit like that. It could be a physical defect. I'm not really sure like how the Arabs would, what is the meaning of it. But it's whether you do it on purpose or whether you do it with a defect. When that happens, you say not قأس, you say اقأنسس. What do you say? اقأنسس الرجل إذا خرج صدره ودخل ظهره مبالغة. Not في الجملة, but rather مبالغة intensely. So the first pattern is افعنلالا يفعنلل افعنلالا. Understood? The next one we have here is al-bab al-thani, the second bab, which has the same pattern as the ruba'i as in haranjama. It says if'anla yaf'anli if'inla'an. If'anla yaf'anli if'inla'an. So what happens here? So you have here the extra alif and extra noon. And you have fa, ain, lam, At the end you have, not a double letter, but you have a ya at the end. So what do you have here? So this is going to be what? So let's say the root letter is going to be the fa, ain, and lam. And then what do you have? You'll have alif at the beginning, a noon, and then you have a ya at the end. Okay, موزونه إسلنقا يسلنقي إسلنقاء. إسلنقا يسلنقي إسلنقاء. Okay, and the pattern of this is what? وعلامته أن يكون ماضيه على 6 أحرف. The ماضي has how many letters? 3. بزيادة الحمزة في أوله. What do you add at the beginning? You add an alif at the beginning. والنون بين العين واللام. You add a noon in here. والياء في آخره. Okay. وبناؤه لللازم نحو إسلنقا زيد. Islanqa means to sleep on your back. Okay. So that's the end of our 35 abwab. Yes. So how do you summarize it again? There are 2 types. What are the 2 types of abwab? So the 2 types of verbs according to the number of root letters. So according to the number of root letters, there are how many types? 2. And we're going to discuss very shortly and briefly the types of verbs according to different aspects. But from the aspects of the number of root letters or additional letters added into it, you have what? 2. What are the 2? Thulathi and Rubai. Thulathi is how many types? Mujarrad and Mazid fi. Rubai how many abwab? Sorry, Mujarrad how many abwab? 6. And the Mazid fi how many abwab?
12.
Yeah, how many types are they? 3. 1 extra, 2 extra and 3 extra. The one with 1 extra is how much? 3, 5, 4. Correct? And these all together add up to how many? 18. That's the first half done. Then the second half is Rubai. Rubai is either going to be Mujarrad or Mazid fi. How many Mujarrad are there? 1 Mujarrad. Yeah, and all the mulhaqat are 3 letters, but they become what? They are 3 in essence, but they join to the Rubai because of the wazn. They have the same pattern as the Rubai. So how many mulhaqat are Rubai are there? 6. And you have Mazid fi. How many types of Mazid fi are there?
There's 2.
2. What 2? 1 extra letter or?
2 extra.
2 extra letters. ما زيد فيه حرف أو ما زيد فيه حرفان. And then you have mulhaqat with them. And the mulhaq are 5 and? Yeah. So you have 1, 2, 4. So 4 altogether here. You have 4 here. And then you have 6 and 5 are 11 and 2 is? 13.
13 and 2 is 17. 17 and 18 is 5.
Huh?
Yeah, it makes sense.
1, 2, 4.
4 at 13 is 17.
Is it 13? Wait, 6 and 2 is 8 and 5 is 13. So 13.
Add 4.
13.
4 is 17.
Yeah, 17. So 17 on this side. And that's how much you have? 35 abwab. And bad news is some other scholars have said a bit more. Some have gone to 41, 40. But for this book, it has 35. So 35, 18 and 17. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go over them. What's the thulathi mujarrad abwab? So fa'ala, which pattern? What verb on the fa'ala? Fa'ala yaf'ulu. Nasara yansuru. Daraba yadribu. Fataha yaftahu. Naqsam yasma'u. Alima ya'lamu. No. Karuma yakrumu. And fa'ila karuma. No, hasuna? Karuma. What did they use? Hasuna? Both the same thing, but I'm thinking which one they use in this book. Hasuna. Okay, that's good. And then hasiba yahsibu. And then af'ala yuf'ilu if'alan. Arsala fa'ala baddala baraka. This is our one that you're familiar with from your surf. Again, same thing. Doesn't matter here. In fa'ala yanfa'ilu ifta'ala if'alla. What's the mawzunuhu? Ihmarra. Tafa'ala taqabbala. Tafa'ala تقابل تنازل تقاتل any of them. استفعل افعل. What's افعل pattern? افعل. Which word did you use for افعل? اعشوشبه. افعول. احمر.
No, إجلوذ.
Oh yes, إجلوذ. And افعل is إحمار. What's ihmarra? The mubalagha of this. Ihmarra and ihmarra. So shawshaba and ijlawaza. So istaf'ala, ijlawaza. No. Shawshaba, ijlawaza and ihmarra. Those are the mawzoon. Then you have the rubai. So rubai mujarrad. Dahraja yudahriju dahrajatan. then ملحقات بالرباعي. Yeah, remember the pattern. فوعل فيعل فعول فعيل فعلل فعلا. Yes? And then تفعلل is a رباعي مزيد فيه. So it is ملحقات with this one basically. Yes?
تفعلل
The تفعلل تدحرج. Then رباعي مزيد فيه 2 حرف. افعنلالا or افعلل. Okay? And then you have the ملحقات رباعي مزيد فيه. So this adds up if this is joined to this one. And this joins to that one. So تفعلل تفوعل تفيعل تفعول تفعلا. They all join up with تفعلل pattern. And yeah, and then افعنلالا and افعنلاء, they add up to افعنلالا and افعلل. So افعلل افعنلاء. Okay? But they don't, they add up to this one, باحرنجم. Same pattern as باحرنجم. Correct? So those are the ملحقات. So you have ثلاثي رباعي, ثلاثي مجرد, ثلاثي مزيد فيه. مزيد فيه is 1, 2 or 3 additional letters. مجرد 1 additional letter or مجرد or مزيد فيه. And the مزيد فيه either have 1 additional letter or 2 additional letters. One have 2 additional letters. You can have ملحقات في رباعي مجرد, ملحق برباعي مجرد زيد فيه حرف, أو ملحق بالرباعي زيد فيه حرفان. Okay? And tomorrow we will go through the أقسام الثمانية, أقسام السبعة, and then the next lesson after is أقسام الثمانية. The 7 types and the 8 types. And what he means by that, we explain it shortly. And in between is a bit of a digression for what you don't got rules in the book, he's got rules in one section. So we'll discuss that as well, inshallah. Understood? سبحان الله بحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.